If your Google TV screen suddenly turns red, pink, or magenta, it's usually caused by an HDMI signal mismatch, incorrect color format, or software rendering glitch. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the red or pink tint issue and get your colors back to normal. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable developer options and adjust color settings. From your Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Go to About. Then scroll down to your Google TV OS build. Use your TV remote's OK button to tap on it 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Confirm your choice if you get prompted or anything. After that, go back to Device Preferences. Scroll down and find Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, find the Picture Color Mode setting. Turn on Use sRGB and turn it off. See which one helps. If neither work, change your TV color. Scroll down from here. Now select Stimulate Color Space. Shift between the color options here, like Monochromacy and Deuteronomaly, and so on. Eventually, after switching between all of them, choose Disable at the end. This sometimes resets the color correction of your TV. Solution 2. Check your HDMI cable. First, unplug and plug back in your HDMI cable on your TV. See if the color is changed or not. If you have another HDMI cable, try to use it on your TV and see if that works or not. If you see the color is now better, the issue was likely with your HDMI cable and not the TV. Solution 3. Factory Reset. If nothing else works, you can reset your Google TV back to factory settings. To do this, go back to Settings, scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Now select and open About. Now go to Factory Reset from here. Now you will need to select Factory Reset from here again and confirm your choice. After that, you can wait for the process to finish. But let me warn you that a factory reset will erase all your apps, accounts, and settings, bringing your Google TV back to how it was on day 1. You'll need to set it up from scratch, so I highly recommend using this only if all other options fail. But it's also important to know that factory resets usually fix almost any problem out there as long as it's not hardware related, so you can try it if you want. After the factory reset, hopefully your issue is gone.